Hey, what's up, Tambutso rider? Welcome back to the channel. And I'm wearing my bright orange vest. So we'll go to the Jumeirah Lakes Tower area. See the towers, the buildings. Let's go. Let's go. Just before starting the work today, let's do a quick ride, maybe 10 minutes, 20 minutes ride. That's good enough for the day, to energize the day working from home. I can't wait to return back to the office. Working from home is good. There's no traffic and all, but I don't know. I'm probably not a work from home kind of guy. Alright. So I'm also testing the placement of the lapel microphone. This time it's a little bit inside the helmet, closer to my mouth. In the morning like this is still good. So riding in the morning and late afternoon is still very pleasant time to ride. But in the noontime, oh no, not at all. It's like riding inside the oven. I think it's a little bit hazy today. The sky is not as blue as normal. Let's slow down a little bit. Just follow the road speed limit. It's around 80 only here, people, so don't drive fast. There's a camera over there, and that camera is really strict, and you don't want to pay $200 just for that. So drive safe, within the speed limit, prevent accident, you don't spend money, government is happy, the police are happy, you are happy, everyone's happy, so why not just follow the rules, right? There's no need for breaking them. First time I'm going to use this overpass. Let's see. where where it ends. Oh, I was thinking that this would go to the other side of the road, but it's not. Alright, so I guess I would have to take a U-turn, no, take a left rather than right turn. So on the next signal, I mean. Yep. Oh, okay. So there's no other way actually. So you can't turn to the right. Only left this time. So which means this will lead me to the other side of the buildings, which is what I wanted to do in the first place anyway. Cool. There's a nice building over here. White and then black. Cool. The left hand side, on the other side of the Side Road over there, that's the marina area. This one here on the right hand side of the road is the JLT or Jumeirah Lakes Tower buildings. Alright, and here's the JLT metro station, is it? We will know once we get near. We should see. So what does it say? Oh no, it doesn't say anything. It should say something. No, it doesn't. Oh, probably over there. I couldn't read it. So where is this one going? That's going to First Kyle Road. Not going there. Let's continue to this one here, Al Saraya. I wonder where this will lead us. Oh, that's actually where I wanted to go. Oh well. We are learning every day. Learning new things. You see? That's the key to learning new stuff. Just do it and try. You know? You'll never know until you get there, or at least in this case, until you try. Just like me with this YouTube stuff, right? I never actually planned doing YouTube. First of all, I'm a very camera shy type person, so for me doing YouTube and talking in front of camera by yourself is like a big no-no. But why not? You know, this is something that I guess I need to try to do. And now after a couple of videos posted, I feel like it's normal. Why not? It's a good pastime. I enjoy doing it. Oh, look at this building here. Nice boxy building. But all glass building. Cool. Cool. It will go back inside. Will it? Can I turn to the left? It doesn't say so. Oh yeah. No. That one there's just going inside the construction. This one here, it's not even a roundabout, I think. No, it's not. So they'll just lead me back inside the JLT area. Which is fine, because this is what I wanted to do in the first place. Hey, look at this old cool building. Cool looking buildings. Buildings. South Sarayat. So let's go here to the south. That's where we want to go. This one's U-turn. Let's go for the U-turn. Alrighty. Let's go to Al Kail Road. First Kail Road. We're back on track. No, we're always on track. Alright, it's only 40 kilometers an hour here, so let's try not to get a speeding ticket. So let's slow down. Construction, which is good. Cleaning the road, I guess, repairing the road. Good. Alright, we're back to the black and white building over here. So let's go to this one here, Garn Al Sabka Street. Where is that street? This one. Just go ahead, straight ahead. Is it? Go this way. Oh, where am I going? Oh, shoot. I'm going back to the Philippines. Oh, wow. I'm going round and round. Alright, let's stay on the left. I think this black and white building is keeping us here around, you know. It's like, stay with me, you like me so much, so you stay. Alright, okay, now let's go. Okay, we're back. So let's keep to the left, and this time stay on the right. Stay on the right. Garn Al Sabka East. That's where we want. The east. The east side. Alright. Is this one? Yes, this one. Okay. We are getting there. Yep. This is where we want to go. And if you're new here on my channel, and if you like what I'm doing here, and if you wanna see more videos in the future, why not consider subscribing? And as they always say, smash that bell button for notification. Oh man, I'm one of them now. I'm one of them officially. I'm saying this stuff now.